Sorry. I'm so sorry for the jump scare. Hey everyone, it's Perry from the Stew. I'm literally here in my childhood bedroom editing this video, and all I have to say is it's absolute chaos. So thank you guys for watching this series so much. This is the last video of the series. Sniffies, if you see this. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more behind the scenes look. And Carnival, thanks for not banning us. Now, there will be a ton of laughs throughout the video, but before we get into that, I do just want to bring attention to a very serious incident that happened on the island. 2 passengers, unfortunately, did lose their lives on Celebration Key. My heart obviously goes out to the family and everything, and I'm so sorry that happened. That is, like, absolutely insane. And as far as I know, nobody in my group traveling were present for the incident, but nonetheless, it did happen, and I did just want to bring awareness that that did occur the same day that we were there, because oof, a lot.
The Royal Bahamas Police Department describing both deaths as drowning incidents. And they say late Friday morning, a 79-year-old man became unresponsive while snorkeling at the beach. Then later that afternoon, investigators say a 74-year-old woman sailed on a different Carnival ship was found unresponsive in a pool. According to police, a lifeguard assisted in both incidents and they tried CPR, but it didn't work.
But thank you guys for listening and enjoy the video. Good morning, everybody. We are all awake and getting ready to finally go on the Celebration Key. We've been waiting for this moment for a fat ass minute.
I got Jackson's car.
Okay, well that's chaotic. So we're getting ready to
Come back with me.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Thank you. So we're finally getting off the ship and we're getting on the Celebration Key. I cannot wait to see what it looks like in person. Oh my God. As you guys can hear, my voice is gone. My voice is gone. And I'm over here trying to force it. I'm over here trying to force talking to the camera. I'm so sorry if I sound hoarse. Where's my microphone? Because no, this is too loud. I did not even bring the microphone. So I hope the audio is, hey. Let's be popping with your man in Bahamas. You look. Oh, the guy with the fro, the perfect fro. Oof. To Celebration Key. I can't even see my camera, so I don't even know if I'm facing the right way. Hold on. Well, first we're getting food, and then we're going on this underwater scooter excursion thing, and ooh, what is that? Hold on, I see food. Oh my God, Ariki has a whole salad named after her. Perry? Oh no. Peaches and cream. Oh, here we go. I know, I was singing Empire.
Empire. Like Empire of the Show?
Yeah.
Thank you.
No more winners, I'm telling you, stay back. All this talking, they come and related. I know the singles will get it.
Right. Okay.
These are the free ones.
Yeah, this you gotta pay for this one. That's safe and sauce. Barbecue and all that.
Oh.
We have been rubbing for days.
I don't think anybody thinks that. I love it. Fonzo has found his new obsession. Yes, with Sunbum, right? I love Sunbum.
Like that.
Look,
Yeah.
disappears.
Y'all better get y'all one of these.
Right. Sunbum, sponsor me. We're missing 3 people. And texted in an Instagram group chat.
You was calling, they wanted to play sleep, don't you?
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna have sex on the beach. Oh my God, you think Sniffies is working on the island? We don't do that type of cruising. Thank you. And you already know, we had to get a cabana. Period. Carly, thank you for putting it on your card.
Well, I'm gonna stay here the whole time. I'm not weird. What? I ain't getting the
Look.
excursion. This is my excursion right here.
Here.
Yep. There's a safe right there.
Wow.
I know this ain't my drink.
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, I just got it.
Bahamas! My voice is gone. Blue.
That was like a 6-minute walk. Y'all know that, right?
Right, and it's like 10 minutes. Okay, I don't know why my dumbass didn't record any of the bus riding or anything, but we rode a bus all the way from Celebration Key to another part of the island where they had all of these excursions and everything. They had clear boat canoeing, jet skiing, underwater snorkeling, and I'm going to show you some clips of us underwater snorkeling. But we do have a lot of clips from when we went to the rum bar, and let me tell you something. Papa hooked us up because he knew it was my birthday, so he gave us double shot rum, $4 each. So I just bought rounds of shots for the whole entire table, and we had a wonderful time. And auntie that was there took great care of us, getting us food and like literally whatever we needed, changing the music whenever we like requested a song. Everybody there was so nice. The service was absolutely amazing, top notch. We love everybody at Pirates Cove, I believe is what it was called. So yeah.
Metal roof.
Oh my god.
Mostly concrete, okay? Concrete blocks. No, not bricks now, okay? I know what's gonna be
Y'all getting bit up?
Stay hydrated, my friend. Stay hydrated.
And there was a ton of wasps. I heard about that. That's disgusting. Food, baby back, baby back.
Hydrated, my friend.
Hi, will do. Wherever the rum is. Thank you.
Yo, how much water have you had so far?
Paris Coast Zip Line and Water Park. My name is Rosie. You are here at the Ultimate Religion 45.
Blind.
They told me that my guy gonna keep falling off because I got facial hair.
Oh my god.
Being a man.
She's a butch queen.
Y'all watching the straight story?
Ooh. Finish the coconut. And there's like a ton of rum in here. Wow. Oh my gosh. Drawn.
I got 2 straws. Look.
Man, I already finished mine. Ain't nothing in this bitch.
Wait, weren't you the one saying slow down? Okay. Woo!
Alright, a while.
Water sports. And no, I'm not talking about those. I'm talking about the other ones. That water. Okay. $4 a shot. You know, you saw the way he looked at me. He poured the shot and then he poured more and then he looked at me and said, yes.
I'm sorry. What's for you?
I'll have what they're having. The ladies over there?
Oh yeah, jerk chicken. And for you, sir?
I guess I'll do the wings too.
Which flavor? Barbecue wings?
Only ketchup?
$4 a shot. $4 a shot.
Maybe. I'm too short. But if you do, all of it will be $1 extra.
Really?
Yeah, I'm just letting you know.
I like the barbecue by itself. Right. Thank you so much.
Stay there.
Hi, David. Hey, thank you. Oh my God, we missed you the other day. You were supposed to be there for the pre-party. And the ocean was beer, and I was a duck. I switched to the bottom and drink myself up. But the ocean's not beer, and I'm not a duck. So let's drink these drinks and get fucked up.
Cheers. So, get fucked up. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey!
One shot for me to lower my standards.
Ain't no way. Marky, I'm about to order like 2 more rounds of shots. I need you to... Akeem, bitch, look. Y'all have a great day. Y'all have a nice day too. Where's birthday girl? Where's birthday girl go?
Where you going? We drinking.
Thank you. Period. Yes. You want to be my vlog? I'm vlogging. Baddies made it. Baddies made it. The baddies are here. Yeah. Oh! City.
Barbecue wings, 1 chicken strip, and a jerk chicken.
Yeah.
Fine.
Thank you so
Put
much.
these in, get that cooking.
Wonderful. Thank you.
All right, guys, remember taking the shot.
Jerron, how do you feel? You feel pretty or sexy?
I'm feeling fucked up.
Oh, wow. How do you feel, Fonzo? She feeling unifish. Ooh.
I'm feeling
Femme queen, like a femme.
like a family
Queen.
I ain't no pussy ass.
Can I waterboard that?
The waterboard?
Look at my hand. Bro, he hasn't touched his shot. He hasn't touched his drink.
I'm scared.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna just split this between
No
us.
alcohol left behind.
Yeah, buddy, that's I just said.
Wrong song. From on Redbull and it's see made me awful. I'm gonna like with Ivy once I get back to the boat.
You gotta be BC, Ryan. You get a BC.
You get BC. I know the girls be getting down now.
But what city? Amsterdam, the red light district,
Europe. I said
the
Europe.
prostitutes. Anybody can get it at this point.
That's not what I meant. Do you see what I see? Fonzo, Jerron, you're not slick.
We gotta do at least one day in Spain.
Correct.
A night in Spain. One night in Spain.
Can I? Where's my camera? Alright, thank you. Alright, do it over. My booker's gone. I nearly fucking drowned in that ocean. Oh my god, that's so embarrassing.
It happens,
Oh my
okay?
God.
The good thing is, I didn't catch it on camera, so it didn't happen.
Put the hands on the knees. They can get a bitch. Put the hands on the knees. They can get a bitch. Put the hands on the knees.
I'm drinking water.
Let's cheers, actually.
Because I am sober.
I have something to say.
Ooh, go ahead, Jerron.
Okay.
What you guys say?
Cheers to finally doing this cruise thing that
Yes.
takes months
Of planning
and weeks
and everything,
and
of
days
waiting.
and minutes and seconds.
You're going down the line?
Yes.
And milliseconds. And
You're right.
Seconds and kilowatt
I
seconds.
want to see how much prefixes y'all know.
We are here in this moment celebrating each other, celebrating life, good vibes,
Yes.
new connections. Period. We did it.
Period. I'm not a duck, so let's get fucked up. I don't know the fucking The duck is in the water, bitch. The duck. You're right. I'm drinking water. Water. Drink the rest of my liquid marijuana, so don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. Right. And look at him. He cheesing. Not you praying. Go ahead. You're right. Laugh.
today's Sunday. I know most of y'all are at church right now. Blessings.
I just want to let the vlog know. Marquis the messiest one out of all of us. Will not believe. Hold on, guys. Hello? Ariki, hey, what's up? You have a confessional. They... Y'all, Ariki has something to say.
I just have to say my piece. First of all, this trip has taught me one thing, and that is that I forever will be sober. I will never drink. I will never be surrounded by people who drink ever again. I will hopefully never get with somebody who drinks, because you sloppy, drunk, horrid, despicable faggots can't handle your liquor for shit. First of all, when we went to the club that first night, I kept it G. I didn't do too much because at the end of the night, we did dance and we did turn up. But y'all was doing too much with the pre-gaming and then the during gaming and then the after gaming and then, bitch, too much game, not enough fucking drink. That's one. Two, when we got to the fucking island, I will say this, Carly, you are my sister for life, love you, thank you for getting us that cabana. That's boss move, that's big money baller, that's that. But to the three, well, two technically, who decided to get sloppy drunk and had me leave the island before I can get my conch fritters and get my real Bahamian baddie shit, it's fuck you temporarily. John and I had a lovely moment, so shout out to John. And, you know, Bryson is my brother for life. But it's fuck y'all for what y'all did that day. Because really, fucking drunk bitches.
Hey everybody, oh my god, it is demarcation day. We're about to get breakfast. My voice is officially fucking gone. I sound like talk. I sound like a Ricky before though.
Huh? No, baby, you gotta speak up now.
I sound like a Ricky before the moms. Oh my god.
See that's when they start. You know what I can't stand? Facebook always send me my bitch notification. I only have you on Facebook so that we can keep the peace. Why do you keep notifying me whenever this bitch be posting? I don't even use Facebook. Now I gotta see this bitch every single fucking morning, because why the fuck are you this active on Facebook? That's what gets me. This is what gets me. How are you 20-some years old, you're this active on Facebook? You're not even black. You should not be on Facebook.
We're leaving. It was such a wonderful time on the Carnival Spirit Airlines cruise line. Anyway, I'm about to eat breakfast, get off the ship, go home, and pass the fuck out. Anyway, thank you guys for for watching all of these vlogs. Have a wonderful day. Bitch, I need my speaker.